Hi, my name is Daniel Winiarski. I am a student of University of Limerick. I'm studying construction management and engineering. For a moment, I am on my last year, and I would like to present my final year project. The subject what I decided to choose is the last planner system in the construction industry, and I would like to present the reasons and the benefits from implementing the last planner system into construction process. In my project, I start to look about the waste in the construction industry. What is the waste and what type of waste we can find in the construction process. Doing research, I found that most construction companies start to look for a solution to reduce the waste by implementing the lean construction techniques. The idea of system or tool to reduce waste is one of the methods that can be used in a construction company. In my research, I found that there is a couple systems that can be used by the construction companies, and I would like to present one system that is a good method to reduce waste and improve construction process. By using the measurements method, I would like to show some benefits and learning from the system what I choose, and I would like to also present some recommendation. Waste in construction industry can be a big problem. A lot of the projects in construction industry are produce more waste than the manufacturing industry. What this means is that the manufacturing industry is more effective than the construction industry. Doing research, I found that from 40 to 50% of all construction projects they are run behind the schedule. Also, on most construction sites, from 10 to 20% of the purchased material is not used and ends up as a waste. Waste can be defined as any inefficiency that results in the use of equipment, materials, labor, or capital in large quantities than those considered as necessary in the production of building. From the survey based on construction industry data, according to Lean Construction Institute, 9% of the total purchased material end up as a waste by weight, and from 1 to 10% of every single purchased construction material leaves the site as a solid waste by the weight. Another type of waste can be time. Process time are also subject to waste resulting from overproduction, wrong construction method, defects caused by the low quality, and poor optimization in performing tasks. The idea of manage and improve construction process with minimum cost and maximum value by considering customer needs is one of the solutions to improve construction process and reduce waste on construction site. Doing research, I found a couple systems that can achieve that. Results-based indicators versus process-based indicators is the system that is checking the results when the project is complete, but the information obtained arrives too late to take any corrective actions. Key performance indicators is a system that is basically focused on breaking performance measures into the key results indicators, performance indicators, and the key performance indicators. Quantitative models for performance measurement system QMPS is a system that uses cognitive maps, cause and effect diagrams, tree diagrams, and the analytic hierarchy process to quantify the effect of factors on performance. Just-in-time (JIT) is a method of pulling work forward from one process to the next just in time when the successor proceeds needs it ultimately processing throughput. Critical Chain Project Management (CCPM) is a method of planning and managing projects that puts the main emphasis on the resources required to execute project tasks. The Last Planner System (LPS) is a system that can increase the reliability of planning, improve production performance, and create a predictable workflow. I would like to present a Last Planner system as a good method to improve construction process and to reduce waste. The reasons why the Last Planner is actually approved is that it can deliver projects more safely, faster, or reduce its cost. It can create more predictable production program. It can reduce stress on project management staff. It can help improve the overall production process, make projects a reliable customer for just-in-time deliveries, because the traditional critical path method don't work. A Last Planner system is basically focused to prepare the construction project from design to construction stage. The first part is look-ahead planning. The master schedule is split for the parts, and necessary information and consideration are actually provided for each task. Should, can, will, did is a process when we consider the information and the resources what we have to do the specific task, and then we compare with the results what we actually did. Weekly work plan is a schedule for engineers, and for a month on a specific week they're going to commit what they're going to do and what they're going to prepare in the next couple of weeks to keep the project on schedule. Scheduling production is an alternative strategy used in master schedule. It is a solution to use a prepared task when we can finish another one on a specific day. The idea is to keep the schedule on time. PPC is a measuring tool presenting the percentage plan of completed task on a specific week. After Last Planner system is actually implemented, the measurements can be done. Each task not completed on time is highlighted and the problem is actually presented. Using the graph methods, all the problems are set together to help understand the root causes of the reason for delay. The reason for that is to understand the problem that caused delay and to find the solution that will help prevent it into the future. Using the percentage plan completed graph, we can present that increase in tasks completed on time. We also increase productivity and profitability in construction process. The increase in productivity and profitability in construction process will reduce the waste of material, time and cost. By implementing Last Planner system, we can achieve a lot of benefits. We can reduce time and reduce waiting. Another benefit is effective relationship between the team members and also design team. We can also increase safety. Another benefit is stabilization of project-based production systems. Using the good planning system, we can very easily control the project. Bad news can be considered as a good news. Using the early information, we can solve the problem before it happens. The benefit in manage conflict objective is a way to optimize the management team, reduce specialty construction costs. You can reduce the workforce on construction site. Last Planner system is a good method to improve the construction process and the same way reduce the waste on construction site. Last Planner requires skills and judgments. Learning Last Planner system is a very challenging task. A necessary training for teams or people who's going to start work with Last Planner system is highly recommended. It is important to understand all the aspects of Last Planner system before we decide to implement it into a construction company. To achieve good results, we need to understand and know how to work with Last Planner system. Thank you for your time.